How to add the Google Maps traffic widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. After that, we go down, then tap on Widgets. In here, scroll down, and then tap on Maps. And then from here, we touch and hold on the traffic widget and drag it to the home screen and let go. And that's it. After that, you can open up the traffic widget. Once you open up traffic, it will tell you how much it takes, or how long it takes to get to work, or how long it takes to go to a certain place. If you no longer need the widget, you can simply remove it from the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.